Hi guys, and welcome to this another unboxing. Today we're gonna unbox the Black Ice Nemesis 360GTS. This is from Hardware Labs. This radiator is recommended for a capacity of 1200 watt and is good for them for a quad slide or GPU crossfire. Okay, we're gonna use it for a Vega 64 liquid cooled and overclocked and a CPU, and I hope it can be enough. Okay, so opening the box, you can find the radiator in its matte opaque black finish. Inside you can find also the appropriate screw, because this radiator needs the appropriate screw because the length of the mounting screw are different to the standard one for this type of radiator. And inside you can find the screw for mounting with the standard fans. The finish of the radiator is very good. This is a free fan slim form factor 2-pass radiator. It measures 398 millimeters for 153 millimeters for 29.6. It has 16 FPA 25 micron copper fins, optimized for sub 800 RPM ultra stealth fans. You can use your fan in silent mode, and this radiator is optimized for this. It has the G14 inlet and outlet fittings, standard M4 mounting threads, and it's all in copper. So if you use it with a full copper liquid cooling system. Don't mix aluminum with copper, please. The matte finish is very good. I love it. We're gonna use it with the free Noctua slim fans in our system. I'm gonna show you some photos or video. Thank you for watching this very short video. We're gonna see some next video how it will perform in my system, and thank you. Please subscribe, like the video, and see you next time.